Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with yet another review to share with you guys, and this time I am going to share my review on a newly launched product which is from the brand Nicka New York. And if you guys are just like me and love wearing mascara and you are in a search for a new mascara, then you are at the right place, because I have purchased this newly launched product from Nicka New York, which is Volume Eco Paraben Free Mascara. And I have bought this, and today I am wearing this on my eyelashes as a mascara. You can see the whole dramatic look it has given to my eyes, and I am just loving this mascara. So I thought, why not sit in front of camera and just share with you my review on this product right here. I have included the clip for the application of this mascara. So if you want to know each and every detail about this newly launched mascara and whether you should purchase this or not, then please keep on watching. So guys, first of all, let me tell you the basic details about this product. This retails for 550 rupees and you are getting 11 grams of product, and along with that you get a shelf life of 3 years. So I know this is a little bit pricier as compared to the other mascaras. If you guys don't know, Nicka is a brand from New York and it is quite affordable brand. I have so many products from this brand. I use contour, duo and blush duo and few more things. In terms of quality, I have never had any sorts of complaint from this brand. So I just wanted to try something new from this brand, and I just saw this mascara on website and I just thought, why not give it a try. Now I will be including the clip where I have applied it and how it looks in first application and how it looks after the second application. Everything will be in detail, so now I will be including that. Quite impressed with this. It is very convenient to use. It provides you the good amount of volume to your lashes, and it gives you very nice curve to your lashes, and I am just in love. And it dries out so fast. It's really amazing. All the things apart, it is paraben free, which I think is really nice, because most of the mascara have paraben in it. If sometimes I had to sleep while I am having mascara, my eyes are really sensitive, and I just get water from my eyes and my eyes just gets irritated. I think it happens because they have certain sorts of chemicals or maybe parabens, so I am not sure. But I wore this and I just slept. Me being me, I just slept for some time and it didn't give me any sort of water from my eyes. The brush is really long to give you that sort of ease to apply it onto your upper eyelashes. However, I don't like this sort of brushes to be used on my lower waterline. If you are just going for a casual day out or anything, you can just apply one coat of this and you are just sorted. You do not need to apply second coat, but I wanted to see what it gives and how much dramatic effect it can give. So I just applied 2 coats of it, and this is the final look, and I am just loving it because it just opened up my eyes so much. If you are looking for a mascara which is not too hard to remove. If your eyes are super sensitive like mine, you will not feel irritated at all. It's definitely worth a try because it's paraben free, it's safe to be used, it's very easy to remove, and I will definitely be repurchasing this again. So if you liked my video and you want me to make more such videos, then do subscribe to my channel, and until next time we meet, this is me Shweta signing off. Bye bye.